Imagine waking up one day and realizing you can no longer think deeply without technology helping you. You forget things faster. Your attention span feels weaker. Conversations feel harder. Silence feels uncomfortable. And your brain constantly craves stimulation. Now imagine this isn't an accident. What if artificial intelligence is quietly changing the human brain itself? Right now, millions of people use AI every single day. To write, to search, to think, to solve problems, to make decisions. And while AI makes life easier, some experts fear it may also be making humans mentally weaker. Because throughout history, human brains evolved through struggle. Memorizing information, solving difficult problems, practicing creativity, thinking critically. But now, AI can do many of those things instantly. And maybe that convenience comes with a hidden cost. Think about it. Why memorize information when AI remembers everything? Why practice writing when AI writes instantly? Why think deeply when answers arrive within seconds? Slowly, humans begin outsourcing their thinking itself. And the brain changes according to how it's used. That's how human psychology works. The more people depend on instant stimulation and instant answers, the harder deep thinking becomes. And modern technology already damaged human attention spans long before AI arrived. Social media trained people to consume information in seconds. Short videos, quick scrolling, constant dopamine. Now AI accelerates that process even further, because artificial intelligence removes friction from almost everything. No waiting, no struggling, no boredom. And while that sounds amazing, human brains actually need challenge to stay sharp. Without challenge, mental endurance weakens, attention weakens, patience weakens. That's why many people already feel unable to focus for long periods of time. Reading books feels harder. Long conversations feel exhausting. Silence feels uncomfortable. The brain becomes addicted to stimulation. And AI may intensify this dramatically. Especially younger generations. Many Gen Z users already grew up surrounded by smartphones, algorithms, and endless digital entertainment. Now imagine growing up in a world where AI thinks, writes, plans, and creates for you automatically. What happens to human creativity then? What happens to independent thinking? That question deeply worries some psychologists and technology experts. Because intelligence is like a muscle. The less people use it, the weaker it can become. And maybe the scariest part is this. Most people don't even notice it happening. AI feels helpful, convenient, efficient. But convenience itself can slowly create dependency. Think about GPS. Many people no longer memorize directions because phones navigate automatically. Now imagine that same dependency spreading to thinking itself. Writing, problem solving, decision making, creativity, emotional support. AI companions already exist. AI tutors, AI therapists, AI assistants. Some people already rely on machines more than their own minds for daily decisions. Think about how strange that sounds. Humans created tools to assist intelligence, but now those tools may slowly begin replacing human mental effort itself. And corporations love this dependency. Because the longer people rely on technology, the more powerful technology companies become. Attention becomes profit. Dependency becomes business. Algorithms constantly learn human behavior. What keeps people engaged? What keeps people emotionally attached? What keeps them returning? And AI systems are becoming incredibly good at understanding human psychology, maybe even better than humans themselves. That creates another terrifying possibility. What happens when machines understand human emotions deeply enough to manipulate them perfectly? Because AI is not only learning facts, it's learning people, their fears, their habits, their desires, their weaknesses. And maybe that's why this conversation feels so unsettling. The dark side of AI may not be robots destroying humanity physically. It may be humans slowly losing the ability to think independently, to focus deeply, to tolerate boredom, to connect naturally without technology. And maybe the most dangerous part is this: human beings adapt incredibly quickly. What once felt shocking eventually feels normal. A few years ago, AI writing human-like conversations sounded impossible. Now millions of people interact with AI daily without thinking twice. That normalization changes society psychologically, especially children growing up with AI from the beginning of life, because future generations may never fully experience a world without artificial intelligence shaping their thoughts constantly. And perhaps the real danger is not AI becoming more intelligent than humans, but humans becoming mentally dependent on AI itself. That possibility changes everything. Education, creativity, relationships, attention spans, human identity, even the meaning of intelligence itself. So the next time you ask AI to think for you, remember something. Every time technology removes mental effort, your brain changes a little too. Because somewhere tonight, across millions of screens, humans are slowly teaching machines to think more like people, while people may slowly begin thinking less like humans. And honestly, that may become one of the most disturbing psychological shifts in modern history.